Welcome to my channel Chemistry class. Dear student, I hope you are doing well. So in the previous lecture we studied introduction to chemical industries, and today we are going to study another very important industrial topic, which is basic metallurgical operations with reference to copper. Basic metallurgical operation with reference to copper. Dear student, metallurgy is the branch of chemistry in which we study the extraction of metals from their ores. Copper is an important metal used in electrical wiring, coins, alloys. What is metallurgy? My dear student, metallurgy is the process of extracting metals from their ores and refining them for use. Steps of metallurgical operation with reference to copper. The extraction of copper involves several important steps. First one, crushing and grinding, mean comminution. Second one, concentration of ores, mean froth flotation. Third one, roasting. Fourth one, smelting. Fifth one, conversion, Bessemerisation. Sixth one, refining of copper, mean electrolytic refining. Now let's study one by one and details. First one, crushing and grinding, mean comminution. The copper ore is first broken into small pieces, then ground into fine powder. This increases the surface area for reaction. Second one, concentration of ore, mean froth flotation. Copper ore is usually mixed with impurities called gangue. Process: ore is mixed with water and oil. Air is passed through the mixture. Copper particles stick to froth and float. Impurities settle down. This separates copper ore from unwanted materials. Third one, roasting. The concentrated ore is heated strongly in air. Example: 2 CuFeS2 plus O2 gave C2S plus FeO plus SO2. Sulfide ore are converted into oxides and sulfides. Fourth one, smelting. The roasted ore is heated with coke, mean carbon, and flux, mean silica, in a furnace. Reaction: FeO plus SiO2 gave FeSiO3, mean slag. C2S gave Cu plus SO2. Impurities form slag and are removed. Fifth one, conversion, mean Bessemerisation. The student, air is blown through molten copper mate. Reaction: Cu2S plus O2 gave Cu plus SO2. Blister copper is formed in about 98 to 99% pure. Sixth one, refining of copper, mean electrolytic refining. Impure copper is purified by electrolysis. Setup: anode, impure copper; cathode, pure copper sheet. Electrolyte: CuSO4 solution. Reaction: at anode, Cu gave Cu double positive plus 2E. At cathode, Cu double positive plus 2E gave Cu. Pure copper is deposited on cathode. Final product: after refining we get pure copper, 99.9% pure. Summary of basic metallurgical operation with reference to copper. Basic metallurgical steps for copper: crushing with and grinding, concentration, in froth flotation, roasting, smelting, conversion, Bessemerisation, electrolytic refining. So my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on basic metallurgical operation with reference to copper. I hope you understand. So if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.